The dirty and poor facilities at the railway platforms poses a serious concern among the passengers, especially those who regularly commute to far-off distances. They express their anger over poor maintenance and unclean platforms.
Some platform it's good, platforms from the south like Trivandrum and all, it is keeping good qualities, and coming to the center part and the northern part, the cleanliness is not as expected.
इतना सारा अनहाइजीनिक है. देखो आप प्लेटफॉर्म्स की हालत देखो, थोड़ा वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो, थोड़ा हाइजीनिक हो.
It's clear that the passengers don't demand world-class platforms, but they want basic amenities like water, toilet and cleanliness around. Railway minister should pay attention to platforms too.